we'll guide you through how to check DaVinci Resolve's system requirements to make sure your computer is up to the task. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Blackmagic Design website. Once you're there, navigate to the Support section, which you'll find in the top menu. Under Support, click on DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. You'll see a list of the latest versions of DaVinci Resolve available for download. Click on the version you're interested in, and a pop-up window will appear with detailed system requirements. These requirements usually include the operating system version, minimum and recommended RAM, GPU needs, and CPU specifications. Make sure to compare these requirements with your current system specs. To find your computer's specifications on a Windows PC, go to the Start menu, type in System Information, and open it. Here, you can check your processor, installed memory, and operating system version. For your graphics card details, open the Device Manager from the Start menu, expand the Display Adapters section, and you'll see your GPU listed there. On a Mac, click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen and select About this Mac to view your system specs, including your processor, RAM, and graphics information. If your system falls short of the requirements, you might need to consider upgrading components like your RAM or GPU to ensure smooth operation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.